Welcome to this extraordinary Dubai residence where timeless elegance is inspired by a culture that celebrates family, hospitality, and togetherness. Every space has been thoughtfully designed to reflect the unique lifestyle of its owners, with multiple gathering areas that bring generations together while allowing on each room to express its own distinct personality and atmosphere. From grand entertaining to intimate family moments, this royal-inspired home is a seamless blend of sophistication, warmth, and enduring luxury from the minute you walk in into the grand foyer gallery. Welcome you with a magnificent padded wall and a tete-a-tete. As you walk through that grand gallery, you step into the grand salon, a U-shaped grand salon, double-story high, with a magnificent skylight that's hauled itself within magnificent, gorgeous hand-painted columns to look like they were real marble. That is the faux finish accents throughout the house. Crisscross beveled mirrors create the feature wall, embracing the reproduction furniture of Renaissance, Rococo, and Baroque throughout this magnificent, rich period style grand salon. The fabrics are embroidered throughout. Here you could see the grand salon and the atrium style ceiling, where during the day you get the beautiful light of the Dubai skies, yet in the evening those grand oversized chandeliers give you the glow as if it were a candle lighting throughout. Sitting in this grand salon only brings the reminiscence of royal families throughout the area, and they will sit here and enjoy their lifestyle throughout the day and the evening, through holidays and every day, because it is about the finishes and the details. There's gonna be two additional areas where people gather: the small dining room and the larger dining room. The small dining room is where you can sit with family and enjoy dinner every night, because that is the type of lifestyle they will have here. Then there's going to be the grand dining room, which is used more for holidays and times where additional family members come visit for the light of the day and the evening throughout this precious home. Royal florals and royal china used throughout. The casual areas also welcome you with rich earth tones. Silk draperies are mixed with damask wallpapers, yet the area rugs give it the extra flow throughout the room rather than just a square room. And that's where the entertainment is for the younger family. Next to the kitchen, you will have the breakfast room, where we brought in touches of happy colors, because this will be for the younger members of the family. Yet, even though you still see the casual elegance and the richness of velvets that, of course, will be properly cleaned. There are 3 kitchens in this home, and this is going to be the daily kitchen, which is basically just to have snacks, tea, and coffee. Very rich hand-carved cabinetry throughout, and just the necessities for small time gatherings, in addition to his den. Because of the lifestyle, you will have different sitting areas where families separate at certain times so they can have their own individual time. Hand-carved doors with silver leaf are adorning this rich, elegant, arched, magnificently detailed cabinetry, as well as carrying those Venetian arch into the ladies' Majlis. The ladies' Majlis is basically a sitting room for ladies, and where the Rococo detail has been added throughout with rich crystal chandeliers, and it is divided into sections. One section has the blues, but then you have the more feminine part of the ladies' Majlis, bringing in the jewel tones, all in embroidered fabrics in silk, in Rococo gold leaf chairs with a modern twist, used in their accessories. The men's Majlis, of course, carries that elegance of Rococo and Baroque, but in this case, royal blues, silvers, and golds is what brings the more masculinity, yet still very elegant, and also entertainment area for the men and the ladies. Here you can see the difference. They're both Majlis, but you go separating them maybe just with color schemes, still yet adorning the walls with Rococo, plaster walls, and hand gilded 1 inch at a time. The curtains, very important, because that gives you the privacy that family will need. Additionally, touches of elegance are brought with accessories and the different types of chinas that are used, whether you're having breakfast or if you're having the grand dinner in the grand salon, because it's all about the details, not just the room decoration, but the accessories used. For example, here, one of the teenage girls, she wanted pink, and that was the accents throughout this bedroom, and still consistently brought arched inserts with rich texture wallpaper and her own personal creation of her own art. There's another sitting area outside the 7 suites, meaning you will always have additional gathering areas for sitting down, having tea and coffee, and relaxing and sitting with the family. Even though it's most of the time the same home, you feel like you're in a different section or a different room. One of the master suites, because there are 2, was designed with brown, rich, and elegant earth tones. The earth tones is the theme here, and it carries through within the woodwork, the bedding, and even the inserts that tie into that bathroom, with a Roman tub on the deck, rich marbles such as crema marfil, brown emperador, and the windows also are framed with that marble and softly embraced with rich and elegant drapes. Carried through the mom's bedroom, because there are 3 generations living in this magnificent Dubai palace. Every room has its own detailing and personality as requested by each member of the family. You can see the damasks, you can see the Bombay chest as well. Also, there's going to be his study. He requested a masculine study where a beautiful statue of Leonardo da Vinci sits right behind his leather chair when he sits and does his work at home. This is the type of lifestyle that they love. We carry through to the home theater, which is welcome to Hollywood home theater, bringing in figures of Marilyn Monroe and other Hollywood actors because they love that type of American culture in their home as well. There's other places like family would love to continue getting together and also bring in other people to visit, and that's going to be the billiards room where they gather as well and have their own moments. And this, of course, is for the younger members of the family.